Check this out. I made over $32,416 in pure profits in the last 30 days, which has now been deposited straight into my bank account. And all I had to do to keep the payment streaming in was to click and drag one secret link on my smartphone. That's right, this brand new profit siphoning technology does it all for me, so I don't have to create any content, drive any traffic, or even do any selling myself. There's nothing techy to do, and I've been able to make this money without spending a dime up front. This is 100% pure profit, and I'm now free to spend that money on anything I want, like luxury vacations, gifts for my friends and family, new cars, and even pay off some existing debt. My payments just keep streaming in whenever I click and drag one link on my phone or computer. In fact, every time I click and drag these links, I make at least $39 every time. And what's even cooler is this is working for other people, including complete beginners right now. They've just tapped into the same profit system and are piling up payments of $39 over and over for themselves. Here's a payment of $418.92 that was made within 24 hours, another one for $632.75, and another for $2,120.31, all deposited straight into their bank accounts, which means they're now free to spend this money. How did we pull this off? Well, this has nothing to do with any existing methods that you've probably tried in the past and failed with, like e-commerce, dropshipping, paid advertising, posting on social media, creating videos, getting on camera, or anything complicated like that. We're all using this brand new app to make $39 every time we click and drag one link and get free buyer traffic at exactly the same time. So, how would you like to do the same thing? Well, I'll share the secret with you in the next 2 minutes. It's all thanks to a hidden loophole that lets us legally skim profits from a $22.9 billion industry without any experience, technical skill, or even waiting, because we're getting results and generating huge payments within minutes. And thanks to the secret link technology we've developed, now you can do the same thing with ProfitStream, the world's first one-click app that pays us from other people's content. Beginners and pro marketers alike are loving ProfitStream, finally a system that delivers real results you can use anywhere and anytime to get real results online, straight from your phone. Sure, it's compatible with laptops and desktops too, but we love the freedom this mobile solution gives us. ProfitStream is the most powerful software my team and I have ever created that has allowed us to make $39 every time we click and drag links online and get real genuine buyer traffic at exactly the same time. And if you follow these 3 super simple steps, you'll be generating free buyer traffic starting today, so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live the life you've always dreamed of. Step 1. Purchase. Grab a copy of ProfitStream before the price increases. Step 2. Activate the ProfitStream app. Then click and drag one link where we show you. It's one click and it takes less than 30 seconds. When you want more, just click and drag again and again. Step 3. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the unlimited free buyer traffic that ProfitStream brings to your secret links 24/7 as payments start to stream in. Yes, it really is that easy. If you follow those simple steps, you'll see success with the ProfitStream software and system. This software has been created from the ground up for beginners just like you, so you can finally see real results online. What's so great about the ProfitStream system is that it gets you free buyer traffic from a $22.9 billion source. ProfitStream uses advanced technology to monetize other people's content for you, so all you do is click and drag one link and the software handles the rest. No traffic, no products, no maintenance required. This is the ultimate way for complete beginners to see fast results from anywhere. And we found this to be an incredibly time-efficient way to add extra income streams, regardless of what else you got going on. If you're like 9 out of 10 people, you've always got your phone with you, right? Now it could be getting you the results just like it is for us and all our beta testers. And for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard work, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you can think of. If you can click and drag one link on your phone or computer, then you qualify for success with ProfitStream. This is the laziest income solution that you'll find online and barely takes a few minutes per day to see great results. ProfitStream is truly a one-click solution, which is perfect for those who are looking for fast shortcuts. To get you the best and fastest results, we include world-class training and profit tactics from the 7-figure marketer who developed this technology. So what's a fair price for a proven one-click profit system that has stuffed our online accounts with $39 payments on autopilot? Well, $397 monthly would cover our costs of development and ongoing ongoing support. And even if you just got a fraction of the results of our beta testers, ProfitStream would pay for itself many times over. But we realize the people that need this the most may not be comfortable with such a high monthly subscription. So for an extremely limited time, we're eliminating recurring fees and slashing the cost to less than the price of takeout dinner. On top of that, we put together a loaded stack of custom money-making bonuses worth over $9,000. You wouldn't find these anywhere else because we've custom created these specifically for ProfitStream. And if you're one of the first 100 buyers, you'll also be getting our extra special traffic bonus just for the first few buyers. As amazing as bonuses are, the most important thing is that ProfitStream works as advertised for you, because we've all been burned before and we want this to be a great experience for you. You're getting an industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee, which means you have more than enough time to try ProfitStream. And if you don't get the results, we'll give you your money back and give you free coaching for as long as it takes to get you making profits. It doesn't get any better than that. Life's full of choices, but if you're looking for a shortcut to amazing results online, this is an easy one. Grab ProfitStream now during this special launch for just a rock-bottom, one-time fee, and let's make your dreams a reality.